Today was all about the passion of the speakers, the depth of the content. The sessions were 30 to 45 minutes, and everyone held their attention because every presenter cared what they were talking about, and there was a diversity of topic, from experience to inspiration to futurologists. It was incredible.
I really like that everyone sort of was talking about the customer experience, meeting the digitalization and the personalization. That is something that I will bring back to my daily work.
I think this event is very special since it includes both end customers and partners. As for us, it's good to meet all those skilled partners and all the knowledge that they bring to this vertical of retail business.
The willingness to push boundaries, to be flexible, and not just collaborate for collaboration's sake, but really make it happen. Together we are working on new projects and doing things which were not in the past possible. So we are now breaking new boundaries, and that is what I believe creates a fantastic partnership.
The summit as such attracts a lot of high-profile clients, which is a great networking opportunity for a retail media advertiser and system integrator as we are. And you as a company and the summit with a great number of attendees have come a long way, and we're excited for the future.